Clearly, the length of the cuboid is 36 minus 2x. Breadth of the cuboid is also 36 minus 2x. Height of the cuboid is x centimeter. Volume of the cuboid is L into B into H. Substitute the values for L, B and H. Since L and B are the same, we can write V equal to 36 minus 2x the whole square times x. We can apply the identity for a minus b the whole square to expand 36 minus 2x the whole square and make v into a polynomial, or use product rule to find dv by dx. D by dx of x is 1. D by dx of 36 minus 2x the whole square is 2 into 36 minus 2x times minus 2. Take 36 minus 2x common and factorize. And again use the product rule to find d square v by dx square. Equate dv by dx to 0 and solve for x. Clearly x equal to 18 can be rejected, so x equal to 6 centimeter. Evaluate d square v by dx square at x equal to 6. We see that d square v by dx square at x equal to 6 is negative. So by second derivative test, volume is maximum when x equal to 6 centimeter. To find the maximum volume, use the expression for v and replace x with 6 centimeter.